Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iPhone 17 Pro and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's begin with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Then let's scroll and find the contact which you'd like to edit and tap on it. Then let's tap on edit in the right upper corner and simply tap on add photo. So here we've got different sections and different options from which we can create the photo of the contact. So we can tap on photos and basically we can open the camera app and take a photo of someone who's right in front of us, or choose something from our photos which were previously taken. We can also use monogram, so just the first letter, Memoji and emoji. It's completely up to you. I'll show you how to use the photo. So let me go to the photo library and let's find the photo which will be suitable. So maybe this one. Just tap on the photo which you would like to use. Wait a second. All right, so here we've got the photo applied. What we can do is to tap on this icon, and now we can move the photo and scale it. So here we've got this highlighted circle, thanks to which we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact. So now we can position the photo, we can zoom it in or out and change the position. The position can be changed by using one finger and zooming in or out using using two fingers. So position it just like you want to and then tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner. Right here we've got the filters or some kind of effect which we can apply to our photo. So here we can make it a little bit brighter, I believe. Here we've got this the copper effect. So basically up to you which you prefer to use. If you are happy with the results, just tap on choose in the right upper corner, and as you can see it was applied. So if you are happy with the results completely, just tap on the stick icon. Let's tap on done. Now let's tap on the stick icon also. And as you can see here, we've got our contact. The photo was also applied as a poster, so the background, but we were focused on the avatar, on the profile picture, and it is also applied right here. Let me go back, and it will be obviously visible on the contact list. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.